Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable haptic feedback or vibration on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to go and scroll down and select the Accessibility tile. Underneath interaction controls, you want to select the vibration and haptics button. And then if you scroll down here where it says interactive haptics, touch feedback, if you want to enable or disable that, just click inside of the little field here. You can drag it all the way to the left to turn that off. And that's all you'd have to do. So just go all the way to the left side and then it's been disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.